So one thing I need to do is remove the lower end of this fiber optic ferrule so it will fit into my electrode. And so I've got some carbide cutter jaws here that I just kind of work around it. I don't try to cut it all at once, but I just go around the circumference once or twice. It's cutting into it, but not all the way at first. This way I get a cleaner cut, more of a flush cut, without having to use a Dremel. So you can see it's sort of cut through maybe halfway. And there you go, it's pretty clean. There's one little burr there. I can work that down a little. So that's what I like to work with there. That's this fiber optic ferrule is trimmed and ready to go into the electrode after I put the fiber into it. Show you again here. And I may make a jig to cut these. I'm also thinking about ordering the fiber optic without the metal part, and then there's nothing I need to cut on it, but the design of the electrode will be a lot different. I like using the metal because it gives a good anchor for me to attach it onto the electrode.